Hi, so this video is for my laboratory exercise number 4, which is about the writing protocol and basic LAN configuration. So in order to perform this laboratory exercise, I need a Cisco packet tracer, which is already here, and set up my video camera as well. So procedure: the Cisco packet tracer, open the Cisco packet tracer, connect 3 PCs, 1 hub. This will serve as your LAN or local area network A. In connecting PC to hub, you can automatically select the appropriate cable type by dragging the cursor in the network component packs, and under the connection tab, you can select the smart connection. Yup, okay, so I need 3 PCs. 1, 2, 3, and then a hub. Okay, so next is you can select using the smart connection. Okay, next is the PCs in LAN A should have a different IP address. For example, PC1 LAN A has an IP address of 161, while another PC, it seems 102. Okay. Okay, so this one is 2. This one is 3. I want to rename this. Okay, next, connect HPC, configure and connect HPC. Okay, it's already connected. Choose a router. You can select the 1841 router. It will act as your router A for LAN A. In the network component packs, click the router. Okay, 1841, this one, and yep. So connections, construct a network LAN A as shown below. Okay, already the same, right? Click on the config mode tab of router 0 to start the configuration. After device configuration. Okay, so to configure this one, right? Oh. And we use this one to see it as well. Okay, still after the device has finished booting, change the display name Cisco 1, display name to Cisco 1, and changing the display name does not affect the configuration. Click in the hostname field, type Cisco _1 config name, right? Then top the enter scale. Okay, so the given example is click on the fast Ethernet 0.0 and then write the 160.1, and then the given example is a subnet. Click on the port status to making it enable. Okay, done. Copy the router 1 and the same configuration, the name Cisco 1. I see. Okay, so is it correct configuration? Yep. Then copy. Then same. Copy Cisco, another one. Copy Cisco. Yep. And then drag the new device, the desired location, click on the network component packs and select connections. Then select the serial DCE connection. After that, click on the Cisco routing connect to the serial 0/00 interface. Click on the, so we will use the 00 interface, so we need to turn it on. This one as well. Turn it on. Yep. So now, okay, and then the DC. Click on the Cisco One router, connect to the serial interface using the serial DCE. So serial DCE, this is the serial DCE, right? Yep. So using the 00 and then click here using the 00. So yep, I think it's working. Okay, so network component packs. The indication that it is successfully connected is there should be two green lights blinking. One is located in the output of the Cisco and the other one of Cisco one. So yeah, it's already successful because there is a two green lights here. Question to be answered within the video. What is the importance of routing? Okay, so routing establishes basic inter-network communications, implements an addressing structure that uniquely identifies each device, and organizes individual devices into a hierarchical network structure, or it arrange each devices into in order of rank. So number 2, why do we need a router? Why not use switch or a hub? Okay, so routers are needed to power the internet. There are no switches involved in getting data across the internet, while hubs don't really pay any attention to addresses, work with MAC addresses. In short, router operates with the IP address. Next is, sorry for that. Number 3, why it is important that each PC has a different IP address. What will happen if we will use the same IP address? Okay, so IP addresses are the identifier that allows information to be sent between devices on a network. They contain location information and make devices accessible for communication. The internet needs a way to differentiate between different computers, routers, and websites. So therefore, each PC should have a unique IP address. Number 4, what can you conclude from this activity? Therefore, I conclude that each device should have a unique IP addresses so that the routing can establish each basic network communication and can organize individual devices into a hierarchical network structure.